If you want to change the vanity light, like I've done with these lights, I've changed them to like a blue LED. I've also got a similar sort of setup in my footwell. Pull down your visor, and then on this side, just give it a pull, and it will pop down like that to reveal the bulb. And then you can just unclip it on these little black tabs either side, put it down, and then you can get to the bulb. I've already chucked a blue. Is it a blue? Like a blue style. Just turn it on so you can have a little look. It's like a little glass. The bulb I bought is actually a little bit too big, so you might want to measure the space where the bulb fits before you replace it. This is the bulb that I took out. Just one of those little boring filament bulb, is it called? And then this is the one I've replaced it with. Some sort of LED. So I'm gonna do my other side, and then it will look nice and tidy. And then to put it back, you just slide it back through and then just clip it up. Job's good. Right, I hope you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. Cool. Bye.